I'm Casey Charvet. I'm the CEO and founder of Gigcasters, and we make the hardware and software tools to enable professional content producers to elevate their streaming productions to broadcast standards, as well as assist the broadcast world access the best of the streaming world. So the Hydra product line is sort of like a set of bookends. And so we took it upon ourselves to develop our own software-defined encoder and package that with a turnkey hardware solution. And as we get more and more success with this, we began to see interest from professional broadcasters that wanted to use the Hydra encoding platform to send a stream over public IP when they weren't necessarily using something like a satellite transmission, traditional satellite transmission, or fiber or a typical broadcast workflow. We also identified that there was a need on the other end. People liked our encoding system, and so they began asking for a decoding system. And so we just recently launched our Hydra decoding line, and have been seeing a lot of interest in that. And where Gigcasters and Zixi can fit in is in assisting on the transport and distribution level.